Politics, politics, politics. We don't like it, we avoid. But politics affects us. And that's why today I am going to talk about political cartoons. So let's start and deep dive into the presentation. Cartoonists felt the need of political cartoons when people were getting disinterested in politics.
And that's why you should remember, if you want politicians to care about you and your country, then you should care about politics and get interested in it.
The five graphics we see on the screen represents how political cartoons reach to people. And as we all know, a picture speaks more than 1,000 words. And that's why a cartoon has more priority to reach the audience. The second need of the political cartoons is to break down complex political issues so that the common public can understand it. Coming to the next slide, impact of political cartoons. The first impact is historical impact. Many political cartoons serves as the main record of historical events, just like showcased by the upper meme about emergency. Also, they are key factors to highlight societal changes. The second point is social impact of political cartoons. Political cartoons raise awareness among people. Also, they shape the public opinion, crafted such that they can make their voting and other decisions. The third is economic impact. Political cartoons can influence debates between reform holders and they can help them to understand the issue. Such that the upper cartoon we can see is about demonetization, and this is with a historical context about the 1975 emergency. Coming to the next slide, मूर्ति को तो जान लिया, अब मूर्तिकार को जानते हैं. About the common man, R.K. Lakshman. R.K. Lakshman was the most famous political cartoonist in India. He is famous for his common man photographs. He depicted the common man as a silent observer, an average Indian citizen who observed things. Coming to the next slide, as there is no audience, but sir, I would like to ask a question to you. What you think, which social issue this image depicts?
Common man?
Yeah, it's of the common man, but what would be the one term for the social issue? If there is a hint, it starts with C or B, and we all have gone through it.
Corruption?
Yeah. So the answer is bribery or corruption. This is a political cartoon by R.K. Lakshman highlighting it in India. The last slide, we are here. We talked about from Britishers to the Jawaharlal Nehru period. Political cartoons continued from that period to this period, be it on Indira Gandhi, be it on Manmohan Singh, or be it on Narendra Modi. They have all accepted the cartoons if they provided constructive feedback. Now I would like to call my other teammate to start some fun conversation on cartoons.
It continues to evolve, inspire and connect all of us. They draw the line where truths collide.
With humorous edge where facts reside.
People voice in points small.
Artists rise to stand for all.
Thank you.
Thank you. चल अच्छा था